Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is complete paper of the PMS screening test which was held on 18 June 2021 in the morning time at 10 a.m. Let's start. One word substitution. Question number 1. A person whose thoughts are turned inward and who never open his heart to other is called introvert. Introvert. Answer B number option. The study of humans is called urology. So the answer is D number, urology. Incapable of being affected or cancelled or obliterated. So its answer is dirigible. Although it seems not relating to it, but the answer seems to be D would be correct. As a supporter of the cause of women is called feminist. C. Question 5. A remedy which can cure all ailments. It's panacea. The D is correct. Choose the word similar in meaning to the given words. The synonym of annihilate is to destroy. 7. Buoyant. The synonym of buoyant is cheerful. C. Laconic. The synonym of laconic is enjoy. Riched tabahal को कहते हैं. So the synonym of riched is miserable. Delectable. The synonym of delectable is flavorful. Gruesome. The synonym of gruesome is disgusting. Insipid बेमज़ा. The synonym of insipid is tasteless. Huddle हुजूम. Synonym is crowd. Stupendous शानदार. The synonym of stupendous is marvelous. Abhor. The synonym of abhor is नफरत को कहते हैं. So the synonym is detest. नफरत. The antonyms of factitious is genuine. The antonym of sanguine is optimistic. Germinate antonym is decay. Vacillate antonym is resolve. Oblation antonym is negation. Adamant antonym is usurp. Insatiable का मतलब है जो सैर ना हो सके, मतलब खाने वाले ऐसी चीज़ जिस पे आप क्या सैर ना हो सके. तो उसके ऑप्शन में ग्रीडी तो जानते हैं, और जो ज़्यादा वो करता है ग्रीड करता है. और ग्लोइंग चमकना दमकना को कहते हैं. डेंटी और सकुलेंट ये दोनों रसीले को कहते हैं. तो इसमें अपोजिट कौन सा बन रहा है, ग्रीडी होगा या कोई और. जूवियल खुशी को कहते हैं, जूवियल. सो द एंटोनिम ऑफ जूवियल इज़ ग्लूमी, गम को कहते हैं. विदेशियस जो सच्चा होता है. डिसऑनेस्ट इज़ द अपोजिट. यूजर्फ, द अपोजिट ऑफ यूजर्फ इज़ इनहेरिट. The next page is not clear. There were about 10 preposition, or you can say it phrases, English phrases. So it is not clear. It is not legible. If you can try, so you try to solve it. Choose the option which are expressed to the meaning of the idioms. Idioms है ये. तो to turn over a new leaf, इसका मतलब है to shift to the probation, to change the old habit and adopt new ones. So the answer is D. To play fast and lose, इसका मतलब है to behave immorally. To be in obedience means to be in trouble. To throw down the glove. To throw down the gloves means शिकस्त तस्लीम कर लेना. To accept defeat. To spill the beans. To keep secret. To take air. To reveal secret. I don't know its answer. To spill a beam. To throw dust in one's eye, किसी के आंख में धूल झोंकना. To deceive, धोखा देना. To get into hot water, इसका मतलब है to be in trouble. C. To save one's face. To pay, to evade disgrace. C. To flog a dead horse. तो इसका आंसर है टू वेस्ट एनर्जी ऑन to waste time and energy. So the answer is B. To keep the ball rolling, to keep the conversation going. Answer is B. Find the correct spelling. Auxiliary, AUXILIAROI. C. COALITION. 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 Voluminous. VOLUMINIOUS. Voluminous. Guarantee. GURANTEE. Guarantee. Substance. SUBS. Subsistence. SUBSISTANCE. Subsistence. Question number 51. Red Cross shows a sign of medical hospital and medical aid. Gave the name of common currency of European Union. So it is a euro. Red blood cell carry oxygen. Myosometer is an instrument which measure, I think, heat of the, I think the C is the correct answer. Which is the largest planet of solar system? So it is I think B is the correct answer. It is not eligible, so I don't remember it. The current membership of group 7 is 134. Which of the following continent member of कौन से 3 ममालिक इसके अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया, all of 3 are the member of group 7. 2015 से 2016 तक सार्क ने कौन सा एरा डिक्लेयर किया था? तो ये टेररिज्म एंड सिक्योरिटी इस तरह की है. वेयर इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ सार्क? इन नेपाल. हुसैन इब्राहिम ताहा विल रिप्लेस, किस सदर को रिप्लेस करेंगे? जो करंट OIC का सदर है उसके बारे में पूछा है कि कौन है. व्हाट इज़ सर क्रीक? तो इसका ए नंबर आंसर है ये सर क्रीक, जो पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के जो मेरीन टाइम बाउंड्री है, जो समुद्री हदूद में हमारा उनका जिधर बॉर्डर लगता है, उधर जो तिकोन इलाका है उस पर हमारा अभी तक डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है. ये सर क्रीक है. ए नंबर इज़ करेक्ट आंसर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ द longest river in the world? So it is Nile. Nile is the longest, while Amazon is the largest as per the commission MCQs. Which is the longest river in Asia? Yangtze. ये चाइना में है. Which countries are separated? Which countries are separated by Durand line? Pakistan and Afghanistan. The famous book Nushki है वफा was written by, ये अहमद पराज या फैज़ अहमद पेजिन में किसने लिखा है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी विजिबल तो नहीं है. द फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज़ लिटरेचर के बारे में एशियन को मिला था, जो एशियन को पहला प्राइज़ मिला था. हु वाज द फ्रेंच? तो टोल्स्टॉय इसका जवाब है. गोरबाचूफ का जो आंसर है इसमें ब्रीडम डाउन एलिजिबल नहीं है. हु emerged as a great leader in French after French Revolution? Napoleon Bonaparte. A. The general who defeated Napoleon Bonaparte was Alexander the Great. B. First president of USA was George Washington. Who is the author of India Wins Freedom? A. Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad. The capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. The capital of Oman is Muscat. Kigali is the capital of Rwanda. The capital of Turkey, Ankara. The capital of Senegal is Dakar, Kaldar, KLDR, Kaldar. The currency of Algeria is dinar. Peso is the currency of both of these, Cambodia and the other one. The currency of Austria is euro. The currency of Cambodia is peso. The currency of Argentina is kwanza. Which city is called the gateway to East? Beirut. Which city is called the city of Canal? Venice in France. Which city is called Brasilia, Pakistan? Islamabad. Which country is called land of white elephant? Thailand. Which country is called land of midnight sun? Norway. Election of chairman and deputy chairman Senate, on which date it was held? On 12 March. For deputy chairman Senate 2021, the candidate of PTI was Mirza Mahmood Afridi. Muhammad Afridi. For chairman Senate 2021, the candidate of opposition was Yusuf Raza Gilani. Yusuf Raza Gilani won by how many votes? I think ये 5 वोट से जीता था जो नेशनल असेंबली की सेनेट सीट. इमरान खान इनिशिएटेड वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन ये 4 मार्च को हुआ था या 6 मार्च. हु इज़ द स्पीकर ऑफ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा? मुश्ताक गनी. हु इज़ द करंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पैलेस्टीन? तो इसका जवाब है बी मोहम्मद चाहिए. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ रिपब्लिक ऑफ चाइना Xi Jinping. इकबाल इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इज़ इन लाहौर. विच आर्गन ऑफ द UN इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज वर्ल्ड पार्लियामेंट? तो ये जनरल असम्बली है. जनरल असम्बली में हर कंट्री को एक मेंबरशिप मिल जाती है. तो जनरल असम्बली में सारे इश्यूज़ ग्लोबल के डिस्कस होते हैं. ब्रॉडवे स्ट्रीट, it is situated in New York, USA, and it is famous for cinema halls. The new name of Burma is Myanmar. So guys, this was the end of the lecture. Please like this lecture, this video, have a good comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.